Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable tracking roblox. See, if you want to get tracking on Roblox, please before starting subscribe to our channel, like the video. So let's start the video. So first of all, let's come out of the game first, and I'll show you how can you do face tracking. So first of all, click on three dots, click on settings. Same process on the mobile as well. You don't need to do anything different. So now you have to click on privacy. Now in privacy, guys, you have to enable a camera permission to gather face tracking. Now scroll down and you will see these two options or these two permissions you need to enable. First is microphone and second is camera input. So to get face tracking, you have to enable camera to animate your avatar with your movement. Fine. It means you have to enable by tapping on this or clicking on this toggle button. The second one to enable the camera to use by the Roblox to animate your avatar with your movement. So once you enable this option, this to get this option, you don't need to verify your age. You just need to it will be available by default, and if you want to do voice tracking as well, then you may have to you have to get this microphone permission as well, and to get this you have to verify your age. Fine. So once you enable both the things, or once you enable this camera permission, it is allow you to get face tracking on Roblox. So you just once you enable, click on toggle button to get. Let's get it. Click on enable to get this, and now just come out of the privacy. And now to check whether the game supports face tracking, you have to open a game. Go to its specification. Like, let me open this. Please donate. I'll show you how. Now go to its specification and see in communication. This game supports microphone and camera. It means it supports voice chat as well as face tracking. So once you confirm, now you can play game to check whether the face tracking is working or not. And go to game. Now you can see that right now not doing anything. But to get face tracking, click on this Roblox icon at the left top. Click on it. Applications, microphone and video icon. Click on this face cam to get face cam, and now just come up. Click on this also close this window, and as you can see, it is start doing face tracking. Track your move, and yeah, that's how it works. So hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.